My name is Maria. Is this written well? No, this sentence is not punctuated. First of all, the first letter of the sentence should be capital. And the special naming word or the exact name should also begin with a capital letter. And a full stop should be there to mark the end of the sentence. So it should be written like this. First letter, capital. First letter of the proper noun, capital, and a full stop at the end. Now, this sentence is punctuated. Likewise, what are you doing? Is it written well? No, this sentence is not punctuated. First of all, W, that is, the first letter of the sentence should be capital. Do we have a special naming word or a pronoun in this sentence? So no other letter needs to be capitalized. There should be a question mark in the sentence, as this sentence is an interrogative sentence. So it should be written like this. Now, it's a punctuated sentence. Likewise, there are many rules of punctuation. So today we will learn about some basic rules of punctuation. The first and the foremost rule that we'll learn is that the first letter of a sentence is always capitalized. The second rule is all the special naming words or common nouns are always written in capital.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!